Today is National Hot Dog Day, so let's celebrate by talking about hot dogs. Did you know that your risk of being bitten by a dog is actually higher on a hot day? This study, published in Scientific Reports in 2023, looked at almost 70,000 cases of reported dog bites, and what they found was a correlation with ambient temperature and the incidence of dog bites. A similar study done in China found basically the same thing. Hospital visits due to dog bites increased as temperature increased. So I dug into this research a little bit more and I found two interesting things. One is that this trend isn't unique to dogs. Violent crime also tends to increase with temperature. The other thing was, I found a surprising number of papers that really confidently claim this link between aggressive behavior and heat, but they don't really give good evidence for the physiological connection between the two, so I wanted to dig in a little bit deeper. What I found was this study from 1972 where mice are housed in a variety of temperatures from 65 degrees to 95 degrees. And basically, as temperature increased, the mice did display more aggressive behavior, but only up to a certain temperature. As temperature rose beyond that point, aggressive behavior actually decreased. And since then, there have been other papers that found a similar trend, like this one from 2021. One hypothesis is that while moderate heat increases aggressive behavior, extreme heat could actually do the opposite because the body switches to prioritizing keeping metabolism low. And so instead of investing energy into something like fighting, which is really costly and makes you really hot, it focuses more on lowering metabolism. Now, this is still very much an active area of research. We don't know exactly why dog bites and violent crimes increase on hot days. My guess is that it's at least partially just due to differences in opportunity. On warm days, people and dogs are more likely to go outside and spend time outside, which means they're more likely to interact and you have more of a chance for conflict to ensue. This is also consistent with research that shows that increased crowding or density does tend to increase aggression, and this is true in humans and other animals. So this National Hot Dog Day, don't be afraid to enjoy some hot dogs and maybe also some hot dogs.